Okay, so let us have this example for the 3-hinge arc structure. So it is subjected to two concentrated loads. We have the 20 kilonewton vertical and a horizontal load of 8 kilonewton. So 3-hinge, nasa tulo ka hinges, A, B, and C. Okay, so for number 1, compute the reaction at C. So pwede na to siya compute ton in such a way na itong pareha sa frames, no? Naka-internal hinge, pwede nimo makat siya into two separate structures. Pwede po nimo siya i-solve as one, compute on as one. So either i-consider nimo as a whole or i-consider nimo by portion sa structure. AB ba ka or BC? Makakat ka sa internal hinge. So, for number 1, unknown ang reaction at C. So, for us to compute RC, kinahanglan na to makuha ang components, which is RC vertical and RC horizontal. Okay. So, sum up tag moment at A, considering the entire structure, the entire arc. Summation moment at A equal to 0. So, clockwise, so 8 kilonewton times 6 plus 20 times 7.6 equal to RC vertical times 23 plus 23, that is 46. So dili na nimo maapil si RCH kay collinear siya with the point A. So wala kay distance, di ka maka-produce of moment. So RC vertical, okay, let's compute. 8 times 6 plus 20 times 7.6 divided by 46. We have 4.35. We have 4.35 kilonewton. If mag-sum up ta og forces horizontal, di po na to ma-consider as a whole structure kay mismo si RA vertical is also unknown, so you have two unknowns. So pwede na to siya i-cut sa hinge. Okay, so cutting in the hinge, you have RC vertical and RC horizontal. You also have here opposite, no, RB horizontal and RB vertical. Okay, nangatay value ani nga 4.35. So if nag-cut ta dire, pwede ta mag-sum up og moment at B. Summation moment at B equal to 0. RC vertical, which is 4.35 times distance na 23 meters, is equal to RC horizontal times 25 meters. So we have the value of horizontal component of RC 4.35 times 23 divided by 25, we have 4 kilonewton. Okay, so makuha na to by Pythagorean theorem. So the resultant RC is equal to the square root of the sum of the squares of the components. So 4.35 squared plus 4 squared, we have RC equal to 5.91 kilonewton. Okay, so that is the answer for number 1. For number 2, okay, ito dito. For number 2, we have to compute the reaction at B. The reaction at B. Kung inyong tanawon, kung mag-summation ka og forces diri makonclude na to nga equal si RBH kang RCH. Then RCV is equal to RBV. Since mag-summation forces ka, sila ra pud nga mga forces ang nag interact with each other sa kani nga putol. So therefore, kung equal ang ilang resultants, equal ang ilang components, equal pud ang ilang resultants. Okay? So, we can conclude that RB is equal to RC. Thus, RB is equal to 5.91 kilonewton also. Okay. Number 3, reaction at A. So, summation forces vertical equal to 0. Okay, so summation forces vertical equal to 0. You sum up kag moment using the entire structure. Of course, upward force RA to resist the 20 kilonewton. So RA vertical plus RCV, which is nakuha na to si RCV pila 4.35 kilonewton equal to 20 kilonewton. So RA vertical, that is 20 minus 4.35. 20 minus 4.35, we have 15.65. For the horizontal, summation forces horizontal equal to 0. This is horizontal. RAH plus RCH, which is 4, is equal to, ngayon lang gina-resist nga 8 kilonewton. So RAH is still 4, 8 minus 4, that is 4 kilonewton. So okay, so RA square root of 15.65 squared plus 4 squared, you can have the resultant, which is 16.15 kilonewton.